Hello viewers, welcome to today's segment. On Burn Survivors Supportive Initiative, we'll be talking about how to mix hot water. The most important question I want to ask is, how do you mix your hot water? I know some people who carry the hot pot or hot kettle of water to the tap or to the well to mix. Now, this is wrong. Most people will say, why? Now, I'll tell you why. Anything can happen. Absolutely anything can happen. You may slip and fall. If the floor is wet, a child or an adult may run into you. So, question that I know most of you are wondering or wanting an answer to is, what is the best way of mixing your hot water and your cold water? Now, come, let me tell you. Now, number 1, go to the tap. Fetch your cold water. Number 2, carry the cold water in the bucket to the fireplace where you're heating up your cold water. Number 3, mix the hot water and the cold water. Number 4, carry the mixed water to the bathroom and bathe. Now, if you notice, as you don't finish do this thing now, as you do walk out with your mixed water, fear no go hold you. You know why? Because you don't already do the needful. But if to say you carry hot water, the waka, fear will they catch you. It could be like say, here to see the push, you go they find way to hide. Because danger they around you. And so are kids. After you don't do all these things what I tell you, you go get reason to thank me later. Like they say, prevention is better than cure. And also, a word is enough for the wise. This now Burn Survivor Supportive Initiative. Now we carry this matter bring for you. Make you tie for your hair like Aliko. Make you dilute and like say they drink cold water. Just for our kids to be safe. Because the safety of our kids is the better future of our tomorrow. Thank you very much and stay blessed.